Water, cinnamon, and honey weight loss recipe. Who would have thought that the secret to weight loss could be in something as simple as water, cinnamon, and honey? The good thing about this is that it doesn't involve crazy fasting or diets that are impossible to follow. Here's the water, cinnamon, and honey weight loss recipe that's gotten people buzzing. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon honey, 1/4 a teaspoon cinnamon powder. Procedure: boil the water as you would for a cup of coffee or tea. Place the honey and cinnamon powder in a cup or mug. Pour in newly boiled water. Stir and let cool before sipping slowly. When to drink. This water, cinnamon, and honey recipe is best taken on an empty stomach in the morning when you wake up. Another cup should be taken in the evening before you go to bed. Why it works. Water. In this recipe, water simply acts as a carrier. However, the added fluid intake should also help in cleaning out your system. Cinnamon. Multiple studies have demonstrated the various health benefits of cinnamon. In one study that was published by Diabetes Care in 2003, cinnamon was shown to stabilize blood sugar levels. When consistently high, blood sugar levels affect the storage of fat in the body. Therefore, keeping it stable is an important part of achieving weight loss. Another study published by the Proceedings of the Nutrition Society in 2008 supported the same results. In this study, cinnamon was found to have a positive effect on insulin sensitivity, which is crucial to losing weight. Honey. Honey is also considered to be a superfood because of its numerous health benefits. For weight loss specifically, it acts similarly to cinnamon by improving blood sugar levels. This is supported by a study published by Complementary Therapies in Clinical Practice in 2013. In this study, researchers from Egypt's Ain Shams University saw that honey has positive effects on blood glucose and pancreatic function. In moderation, this makes it a good addition to your diet when looking to lose weight. Honey has also been proven to help suppress appetite. This was shown in a study published by the Journal of American College of Nutrition in 2010. In another study published by Nutrition Research in 2011, honey was shown to hinder weight gains in rats. Precautions. It's easy to think that this simple concoction is harmless, but you need to be careful not to overdo it. In 2008, the European Food Safety Authority, EFSA, warned against the ingestion of too much cinnamon. This is because of a compound in cinnamon called coumarin, which could be toxic to humans at high doses. According to EFSA, people should take no more than half a teaspoon of cinnamon per day. This water, cinnamon, honey weight loss recipe is safe to consume in the recommended amounts, and each of the ingredients has been backed by research to be helpful for losing weight. They are also ingredients you probably already have at home. Try it and see if it will help you achieve your weight loss goals. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.